All right, y'all, for day 14 of my July series where I cook and try other food content creators' recipes, today we've got Natasha's Southern Flavors Bloomin' Onion Dip. Let me show you how she makes it. 1 block of softened cream cheese, about half of a cup of mayonnaise. I'm using Light Hellman's. As you guys know, it is my favorite, but use whatever you prefer. And then half a cup of sour cream. I have about half a cup left in this, so I'm just gonna use this entire thing. Okay. 1 medium white onion chopped. You could definitely saute these, but she did not in the video that I watched. So, and then she adds about a cup of grated cheese. I've got this Lechona Mexican style grated cheese that I absolutely love. So that's what I'm gonna use, but just any grated Parmesan cheese will work. She seasons this up. Garlic powder, oregano, dried oregano, paprika, a little bit of cayenne pepper, some black pepper. Give this a nice mix. I'm so excited for this World Cup game. Who are you guys rooting for? This is the first time I've ever actually watched the World Cup, and it's actually really fun to watch soccer. My brother-in-law was having to explain to me what stoppage time is and all the stuff, and I'm a big sports girly, if you didn't know. I went to college at the University of Tennessee and I worked for the football team, and I ride horses competitively, so anything sport related I am all here for, and I've loved watching it. I love the story of Messi, and it's probably gonna be his last game, so I'm rooting for him, I think. We're just gonna pour this into our baking dish. Get every last drop. I forgot something. She had some Worcestershire sauce, so I'm just gonna pour that on here, and I'm just gonna mix it right in here. It'll be fine, guys. We are not gonna stress about this. I kind of like the raw onion. All right, and lastly, we're gonna add some crispy fried onions all to the top of this. Spread it around. I've got the oven preheated on 375 degrees. We're gonna cook this for 25 to 30 minutes until it's nice and warm and bubbly, and I'll see you when it's ready. All right, y'all, it's ready and it smells so freaking yummy. I'm gonna let it cool and we're gonna do a taste test. Got these Stacy's pita chips. This does have Bloomin' Onion vibes. Oh my God. Y'all gotta go make this one. The fried onions on top, the raw onions in it, the cheese. It is the perfect combination of flavors. Let's go eat and watch the game.